Guys, if you know that you never chop and beans and rice dey hungry you, gather here make we chop am together. Today I say I no wan do long video, na only chop chop we dey dis afternoon. Sometimes relax chop, nothing do you. So dis ogbonge beans and rice cook separately. Guys, if you no wan combine the two together while cooking it, cook am separate, as in display and present it dis way. I carry my ogbonge pepper soup put for another plate, make e just enter my medulla when I dey chop am. Come carry one drink dey present am, because na beans I dey eat, I no wan like fruit drink, all dis ogbonge drink wey no be fruit. So na so we go take dey eat am, na so you go take dey present am, so dat when you go dey chop am, e go dey totori you, e go dey better you, e go dey sweet you like tomorrow no dey. So if you dey care for cooking beans and rice, e don tey wey you chop am, dis video go encourage you make you go cook am, so dat you no go lack protein for your body. Guys, you feel say eating beans alone na difficult thing, because I notice say some people dey run to eat beans, carry rice join am. That's what we did. I no cook am much, but the remaining one, wetin I do be say I tie am for nylon. Guys, udo dịrị unu. Thanks for watching. Guys, is eating veggies is a taboo for you? You've never make it as your order of the day? Guys, watching this gonna prompt you to keep preparing vegetable salad, especially in this method, because I feel like the other method makes some people tiring. That's why they don't continue or consistently eating veggies. But guys, we didn't do creamy type here. Only what it can require for you is to get all the vegetable that is required on that, like green leaf, cabbage, carrots, cucumber, tomatoes, avocado pear. Yeah, I think that's the list of the ingredients. Sometimes I put beetroot, avocado pear, beetroot, green leaves, tomatoes. That's the list of what I combine. As I don't want to creamy type, I just manage adding the mayo on top. If you feel like eating vegetable alone, you don't feel as in belly full, guys, you can use something in this nature, like I make like pancake or crepe. So after eating it, you can use it to dilute your veggies. So that's the list of what we manage preparing here. On your crepe, you can use chocolate to eat it, or on your pancake, you can use chocolate and maybe strawberry, any fruit. Guys, but as long as the vegetable is here, you are covered. Thanks, and kindly watch the next recipe. Guys, haven't you thinking on what to eat? Can you just basically as in focusing only on particular, guys, without the bars of food? Guys, I keep as in asking this question, whereas there are other food out there, you're gonna keep preparing to change as in pattern of the kind same food you are eating every day. Guys, I didn't showcase when I started preparing this, guys, because I'm in a haste, but I gonna still drop the full video here based on this. Guys, what did I have here? I have potato. Guys, why I introduce or recommend this recipe for you is because potato is in categories of veggies. I'm not aware of that, but I need to review that. So if you've never craved a lot eating potato or cooking it rough like this, guys, I urge you to. Why? Because guys, this gonna nourish, better you, refresh you, build your body. Thanks for watching. Bye.